Hi guys, welcome to my second video. I am making a bird cage. It is a DIY bird cage and it is not going to include real birds. So I already cut this. What you're supposed to do is just cut, 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 cut. Then pull off only one of them, so the bird can come in. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to take a strip of tape and you're going to want to do is just put the tape on right here. There we go. Now, another strip of tape right along here. Now, another strip of tape. Another one right here. The last one is going to be right here. So that is the bird cage itself. It's only for a Hatchimal, a small Hatchimal. So you will not need these tools anymore. You will need glue, fabric, any colored fabric, and your bird cage. So your bird cage, you are going to put glue on the bottom of the paper side. It can be any colored paper, even white. I'm using scrap paper. For now, you are going to put your little, mine is not sticking, so I'm gonna put more glue in there.
Hold on. Before she does it, remember to subscribe and leave a like. Oh, and also hit the bell.
Thank you, assistant. Now, glue it onto the fabric, and there you go. Here is your bird cage.
Oh, by the way, be careful with scissors. I didn't really have to do that, did I? Well, whatever, still. And this is your finished bird cage. I didn't really do any of it, but still, it was.
He is my assistant, my brother. You can see his video too.
Yeah,
It
I
is
have a
about
channel
a
too.
tadpole.
It's not in the description. I said I'd have a link of something in the description. I didn't do it though. So yeah.
Here is your bird cage. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.